Yeah, guys, welcome to another video. Today's profit call live trading robot. Today we are going to trade with volatility 100 index live front of you guys. Now our trade, you're going to pick 50 trades. Okay, if the target meeting last trade, you're going to close this robot and withdraw the 2-day profit. Keep watching the video, guys. Look here, the serial key, broker API ID, broker API token, and the stake amount. We are going to start with $20 deposit today. Now let's get started. Click on start trading. Couple of seconds trading has been started. Now let's move on Dario official website where the live bot is doing trading. Look here, guys, the $20 deposit. Now keep watching. Look here, guys, the bot is making profit in background. As you guys can see the profit. Look here, guys, step by step the bot is taking trades and the profit is increasing step by step. As you guys can see here, 58 point something is plus $77. Look here, guys, keep watching the video. $96 in front of you guys. The bot is consistent making profit. In here we hit the $100 profit. Now keep moving, guys. We are near to hit $200 and our 2D target is $200. Here you guys can see we are near to $153 and a few trade modes and gonna hit our today trade profit target $200. $173 is reached. A few more trades and our today target will be done. Now see here, $191 plus 83 cents. The bot is making profit consistent. $210 today target is met by this bot. Okay, the trading has been stopped. Now let's click on cashier and go for withdrawal. This is the cashier. Now let's see here. They were asking me help us to verify your withdrawal request. Now let's click on send email. They will inbox you an email with a link of withdrawal. Now we are going to Gmail. Look, here is the Gmail. Let's click this link and withdraw. After doing the withdrawal process, here you guys can see in my Gmail we received an email. Our payout request has been submitted, $210. As you guys can see here, the withdrawal request is received by official direct email, $210. Thanks for watching, guys. Check the description, chat with us to have this part.